Mhm.
And ma'am, I have one more question. And you belong to Assam right now. Also, you are living in UP. And have you visited any other state in our country?
In other country,
Yes.
other country I don't have visited so far because Bhutan is also near to my place in Assam, right? So I have visited there once and twice.
Bhutan.
Hello,
Morning.
good morning. Very good morning. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I'm also pretty well. Thank you so much for asking. How's going on your day?
Yes, it is morning time. It is right now. Also, the morning time is very nice. Yeah, the weather is very comfortable. Actually, a few days it was raining, but in this time also there is no rain. Yeah, the sky is clear.
Okay.
I am making the video on my roof.
Hmm. Yeah, I know. Okay, now it's I think pleasant weather is going on, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Right.
Here also in UP as well. Now we are feeling comfortable. How long have you been running YouTube channel?
Yeah, I have been running my YouTube channel about 7 months.
7 months. Okay. Is it monetized so far?
Yes, it is also monetized, but uh, because of my also I changed my account. That's why also it is also came back again. Yeah,
I did not get. Could you repeat?
actually I changed my account number. Yeah, that's why also it is problem for my channel.
Okay, okay.
And your channel have you monetized?
Yeah, it's monetized.
Yes, yes. I watch your video and the ad is showing. Yes, I know properly.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you for watching my videos.
Yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask one question to you. And when did you start your English speaking journey?
It's been 1 year, but talking to people, I think it's 6 months, around 6 months. I have been talking continuously.
Yes. And how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
I think 5, 6 months. Yeah, similar day. I have started to run YouTube channel as well. Earlier, I was talking with the people on audio call or sometime video call as well for 15 or 1 month ago. Then after 1 month, I started my own YouTube channel.
Yes. And I noticed that who are learning this language for a long time, for 1 year or 2 years. And right now also they also have been running your YouTube channel as well as also they are teaching. And right now, do you teach?
No, I'm not teaching. I'm totally focusing on myself to enhance my communication. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. Do you teach?
No, right now also I don't teach. I earlier also I used to teach in mathematics subject. I
Okay.
when I was starting school life, college life, at the same time I used to teach as at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subject. And there were
Okay.
100 students in a six batch. But right now also I don't teach because I work in a hospital. That's why also I have to do shifting duty morning, evening, night. And there is no fixed time. Yeah, that's why also I don't get free time. I don't teach. Yeah.
Okay, that means you don't have fixed time to have conversation, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. What about today?
Yeah, so
When will we
today, I,
start?
today I will go to the evening duty, and that's why morning time I am free. Yeah, I
Okay.
am making the time, making the videos.
Okay, that's great. Okay, you are from West Bengal, so I love to know recently you have celebrated the Sera Durga Puja Navaratra, right? So how did you celebrate it?
Yes, if, Durga Utsav is celebrated all over India, but it is famous
Mhm.
in West Bengal.
Especially, yes.
Most of the people are Bengali person. Yeah, they are all. And it is celebrated. Actually, Durga Utsav it is going on about 10 days. It is start in Mohalaya, but the most important is last 5 days. Sosti, Saptami, Ostami, Navami, and Dasami. It is celebrated, and most of the people also they celebrate very well.
Mhm. Yeah, in Assam and West Bengal, I know very well how they do celebrate, right? I also belong to Assam, so I miss a lot here. You know, there is no this kind of environment to go and they do not bring, statue of Durga Mata. So I missed a lot here. So I asked you, how did you celebrate? Because, very largely they celebrate Durga Puja, especially. That is the biggest festival in our culture, right? So yes. Okay, what you do? Do you keep fast, or how do you celebrate in your culture?
Yeah, I belong to village area. I belong to village area, and in our village, there are four pandals. There are four pandals in our village, and most of the boys and young girls and boys, they always take their new dress, new clothes, and wearing a new dress. They going to here and there. They going to another pandals to pandals. Yeah, and actually Bengali always like to move here and there, and I always like to eat something new. Yeah.
Yeah, in this time, definitely they want to have new things, right? Because this is the biggest festival in your culture as well,
Yes.
isn't it?
I am I am asking one question. It is celebrated all over India, but in West Bengal it is celebrated. It is famous, and in your state, it is celebrated. Is it celebrated?
Very largely in Assam, but I did not see in UP. Just they worship in the temple and they keep fast at home, their home, and they did celebrate their own how to celebrate, but very largely, very openly celebrate in West Bengal and Assam, right? And I think any other places, I don't have that much idea about the any other places, but largely they celebrate Assam and West Bengal. I know about it.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, how is your practice going on?
Yeah, practice is going on well. Sometime on and off due to the some festival come and some reason of now weather is changing. So I was also under the weather. My baby also. So that time I had to break. I had to take
And
break
ma'am,
that time.
do you make this kind of video every single day?
Conversation? Are you talking about?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, not every single day. Whenever I do free, that time I have conversation because we have fixed our meeting yesterday, right? So I thought I should do, Arya, please. I have to attend session with you. So sometime, it happened with me. I gradually get time. Normally, I get time in the morning time when my baby goes to school. That time I do free. Apart from, I do not get time in the evening time or afternoon time. That time maybe most of the people they get time to have conversation, and many years time the people to tells me to, people tell me to have conversation in the evening or afternoon time. That time it's not suitable for me, and I do wait for them very long time in the evening, in the morning time, so they do not join. So I feel bad that time. I was doing very hurry uply each and every task I have finished. Then I came to wait for them. If they do not join, then we feel demotivated and not feel well, right? So it's happened with me. So I couldn't manage my time in the evening time or afternoon time. This problem is happening. So yeah, that's happening with me.
Yes. Yes, I have already watched your channel, and I observed that you also upload the video maybe 4 days after 5 days. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Very rarely I do upload.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. Right now, also, I observed that many YouTubers, they are always making the thumbnail. How did you learn English just 15 days? How did you learn English just 30 days? And what do you think? Is it possible?
According to me, that is not possible because we have struggling for a long time, right? To be that much to get that much level. Not possible, but if you learn, if they teach, if they teach 13 day, 40 day, that is, I think they are able to teach. But that totally depend to us how much we are able to consume that, right? To speaking part, I don't think that is the possible according to me because I have been learning this language for a very long time. So minimum time we have to spend 1 year to be communicate the people in a normal basis. If you want to go upper line, want to be a fluent or knowledgeable person, then definitely you have to spend more than 1 year. I think 2 years, 3 years, right? So yeah, that is they are making full, I think.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, maybe also you have taken a subscription on English, yeah?
I took once for a 1 month.
And after talking and after using that application, and did you improve? Did you improve your English skill?
Yeah, after talking with them, definitely we can improve ourselves because they point out our mistake where we are making mistake, right? So according their feedback, we have to work upon it. If you work, then definitely it will work. If you don't listen after talking with them, then definitely it will not work. They just we are talking how we are talking to each other, just a normal conversation. It's happened, but they give feedback in the last time. So according that, if you work upon yourself, then definitely you will get improvement. Apart from otherwise, that is not possible, right? Totally up to you how you are focusing on yourself to learn this language. I do believe so. Yeah.
And ma'am, you have a one son, and maybe also he is going to English medium school, yeah?
Yeah, yes. He goes to English meetings.
And do you practice with him in English?
Yeah, I have started to practice with him only. He is my first partner of the learning this language, and now he speaks all on also with me, and now he able to speak English. I do only speak with him in English at home.
At home, yeah, yeah. You also
Mhm.
make the environment at your home, yeah?
Yeah, I make environment at my home.
Yes.
Mhm.
And ma'am, I'd like to ask another question to you right now. So you have been learning this language about 1 year, and you have been running your YouTube channel, and being a family member, you have a lot of work in your family. But how did you manage your time?
Manage, I already shared with you how do I manage whenever my baby goes to school. That time I do conversation and I do practice along with I'm a early bird. So early in the morning I do reading practice. So I love to read as well. So I read books for a 1 hour and 1.5 hour, and then after that I have to do household chores. After that, completing my household chores, then I take conversation. Then after that, my baby comes from the school. Then I have to play with him. I have to teach him. I have to spend time with him, right? So if they sleeps in the daytime, at the daytime, uh, then I will able to have conversation with people. That's how I'm managing. Yeah.
Yes, yes, nice. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. And right now also you are speaking English very well. There is no doubt. But you also like reading. You also like reading book. But what kind of book do you like reading?
Nowadays, I'm learning, school books like 8th, 7th, 9, this kind of class books I'm reading, and yeah, lesson I'm learning about the classes.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, I would like to ask another question to you. And to increase your vocabulary skill, uh, uh, what kind of method do you follow for your improving your vocabulary skill?
I do follow reading. From reading, I get lots of vocabulary to use, along with sentence. So I found this is the very effective way to improve our vocabulary. And apart from, I watch conversation videos, and along with, I watch, movies as well, short movies. From there, also, I will get lots of vocabulary, daily use vocabulary. So that is the useful videos and effective way to enhance my vocabulary. I don't do any apart from because that is the sufficient for me. Not only gain vocabulary, that is not sufficient. We have to use this vocab as well while conversation. So I do believe every single day I learn two vocab, new vocab. So I try to use while conversation. So
Yes, yes.
that's
Because to learn this language, in my point of view, is cartoon also is important. Actually, it is made for kid, and and in this cartoon video also always use the simple word. And do you watch the cartoon video?
initially I used to watch with my kid. Nowadays I do not watch that much because I watch nowadays another things like a podcast or short movies conversation. That is enough for me for day 1 day, right? So I only watch, I think, 2 hour in a single day. So that's how I cover it. I don't get that much time to watch another video as well.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
And ma'am, I have one more questions. And you belong to Assam right now. Also, you are living in UP. And have you visited any other state in our country?
In other country.
Yes.
Other country I don't have visited so far because Bhutan is also near to my place in Assam, right? So I have visited there once and twice.
Bhutan. And
Yeah.
have you visited in our state, in our country?
In our country means?
State? Have you visited any state in our country?
Okay, any state. Yeah, I have visited many states. Like I have visited, West Bengal, Uttarakhand, Delhi, UP, Bihar, and what can I say else? I think yeah, that's all. I think 4 and 5 state I have visited.
And have you visited in southern part of our country? I mean Tamil Nadu,
No,
Kerala.
oh, no, not yet. I haven't get chance to visit there.
And you have visited so many states in our country, and for traveling purpose maybe. And at that time, did you face any problem to communicate to other state of people?
Not yet because I only visiting where I can communicate very easily, right? And I'm from Assam, so I can very easily communicate with the West Bengal people, via Hindi or via Bengali, via Assamese. So that time I did not face any kind of difficulties. Along with in UP, I know very well Hindi as well and Uttarakhand as well. So I did not face so far any kind of problem. If I would go to southern part, then it would be difficult to me to survive, right? Now I think I do not get that much difficulty because I have knowledge about the English and they know very well.
Yes,
So
yes, you are right.
yeah,
If you go to the southern part of our country and Tamil Nadu,
Mhm.
Kerala, they always speak their native language, otherwise English. They never speaking in Hindi. That's why also you have to face a lot of problem to communicate other state of people. And
Yes,
ma'am,
yes,
I'd like to ask another question to you. You belong to Assam, and maybe also your native language is Assami. Yeah.
yeah, yes.
How many languages do you know?
3, 4 languages I know.
Three, four.
Mhm.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And right now, what do you do in your free time, in your spare time?
In my leisure time, I do just I focus to enhance my communication or learn this language, nothing else, because I'm totally into it. Whenever I get time, I love to spend time to work this way, right? To enhance my communication, nothing else. I don't do anything.
Yes, yes. And what is your future plan?
My future plan is to be fluent in this language. I want to do something through this language. Yeah, that is my future plan. So far, I'm thinking about it.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, you have been learning this language about 1 year. Right now, also you are speaking English very well. There is no doubt. And I know also properly to learn this language, you have to struggle a lot. You have to do hard work. I know properly. And after speaking English every single day, you talk to another people for your communicate. And right now also you have been running your YouTube channel. And after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yeah, I feel so happy and I feel confident more than earlier, right? Now we are very confident to talk with each and everyone. There is no any kind of fairness to have communication with the people, right? This language, boosts my confidence. Really, that is the I see myself changes.
Yes. And ma'am, what do you think about in your future? In future, will you teach?
Yeah, if I be perfect about this language, then definitely I love to teach as well. I'm not thinking so far because now I'm totally focused on myself to enhance my communication or to be a knowledgeable person of this language. So I haven't thought yet. Let's see what happen in future, what God decided for me, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
All,
Okay.
all right, ma'am. It was nice conversation with you. Yeah. Thank you for giving a valuable time. I have learned a lot of things from you. All right, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Have a good day to you.
Thank you.
Okay.